guys, welcome to Shaw Boulevard. Welcome here in Shaw Boulevard. Rush hour na for work, for office. Lakad tayo dito sa Wakwak Road pababa. Dahil papasok tayo sa SM Show Center. Wakwak Road guys, Wakwak Road pababa. Wakwak Road tayo. Meron ng SM guys, so nag-ready na sila ng Christmas decor. Tapos 9:10 AM pang open. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Bye.